Welcome to our hands-on experience with the brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, shown here in all four matte finish colors. From left to right, you're looking at jet black, white, navy, and icy blue. Let's start with the jet black variant. It features a matte finish that resists fingerprint smudges, paired with a solid aluminum frame and matching camera rings that give it a premium, solid look. The display still measures 6.7 inches with a 120 Hz refresh rate. The Galaxy S25 FE is also 8% thinner and 11% lighter than its predecessor. The whole left side is a solid-looking slab of enhanced armor aluminum. At the bottom, you will find the USB Type-C power and data port and a nano SIM tray. The power and volume control buttons are located on the right side. At the top, you will only find two additional microphone ports. Embedded into the top of the display is a new 12-megapixel selfie camera. There is no change to the triple camera combination at the back. You will still get a 50-megapixel dual-pixel main camera with a wide f1.8 aperture, as well as a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with an f2.2 aperture and an 8-megapixel telephoto camera with 3 times optical zoom. While it may not be obvious, the display bezels are slightly slimmer on the Galaxy S25 FE. Now let's take a closer look at the white Galaxy S25 FE. Thanks to the matte finish, it has a milky, soft white appearance. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and the Galaxy S25 FE now features the same enhanced armor aluminum frame used in the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus. The SIM tray only supports a single nano SIM card, but you can add a second number using an eSIM. There is no micro SD card slot for expandable storage, so it's important to choose the right storage option when you purchase the Galaxy S25 FE. The new 12-megapixel front camera features an f2.2 aperture, and its wide 80-degree field of view makes it easier to capture group selfies. Let's move on to the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE in the navy color. The The Galaxy S25 FE is powered by the Samsung Exynos 2400, the same 10-core processor used in the Galaxy S24. The Exynos 2400 is a slightly faster variant of the Exynos 2400 used in last year's Galaxy S24 FE. But it should offer better sustained performance in demanding apps thanks to a 10% larger vapor chamber and a new liquid thermal interface material for better cooling performance. We will be testing its real-world performance in our upcoming Galaxy S25 FE performance review, so stay tuned. Like its predecessor, the Galaxy S25 FE comes with 8 GB of memory and storage options of 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB. But this time, Samsung is prioritizing the 2 higher storage variants, while limiting the 128 GB option to select retail partners. Finally, here is the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE in the icy blue color. It resembles the white version, but with a subtle bluish-purplish tint. You can expect slightly better battery life with the S25 FE, thanks to the slightly larger 4,900 mAh battery, up from 4,700 in the S24 FE. We will be testing that out in our forthcoming Galaxy S25 FE battery review. The bigger leap comes in charging speed. The S25 FE now supports 45-watt fast charging and is also Qi2 ready for wireless charging. Like the Galaxy S24 FE, the Galaxy S25 FE is IP68 rated for dust and water resistance. That means it will withstand immersion in up to 1.5 meters of fresh water for up to 30 minutes. We hope this hands-on look at the Galaxy S25 FE colors and upgrades was helpful. For more details, please check out our full article linked in the description below. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe, and consider supporting the channel through the links below. Thanks for watching.